surprising, shocking to me, actually. People equate fish as if it's just fish. At least 33,000 different kinds of fish. There's one kind of bird that we call chicken. There's another kind of bird we call turkey. There's some variations on the theme, but basically it's one, like dogs represent one species with lots of variability. When we talk about fish, we're talking about that kind of individual variability within species, but different categories. And the great majority that we consume are carnivores. Mm-hmm. And they are not taken like chickens and ducks, turkeys, cows, pigs, goats, sheep, that are taken when they're young, typically within the first year, when they're growing fast, and there's great efficiency of converting the plants that they eat to the animals that they become. So on that basis, it takes about 2 pounds of plants to make a pound of chicken. For cows and pigs and the other animals that we eat, it's somewhere between 15 and 20 pounds of plants. If you take these animals when they're young, and mostly we do, we don't eat old sheep, we eat lamb. We don't eat old pigs, we eat the ones that are within a year during this fast-growing stage. Mm-hmm. In the ocean, we eat 10-year-old tuna. We eat 100-year-old orange roughy.
It's shocking.
We, in some cases, not so long ago, turtle was common on the menu, but turtles can live 50 or 100 years. Mm-hmm. Whales, we only stopped killing whales commercially, globally, in 1986. But think about how long whales live, as long as humans. In fact,
longer. No?
Yeah.
One kind of whale at least lives for at least 200 years. Mm-hmm. Wouldn't we like to know the secrets?
The secret, exactly. Mm-hmm. Exactly.
There's a Greenland shark that lives for perhaps 400 years. And anyway, what we take out of the ocean, they're basically carnivores. There's some exceptions, but they're not just a baby. A parrotfish can be 5 years old or 10-year-old. We don't have 5-year-old chickens.
No. But it's the concept that wildlife is free for the taking, right? And that's the problem, is that a farmer's not going to go out and have to pay to feed a chicken for 5 years or 6 years. They're going to try to optimize that timing of how little food can they feed it to get it to the market, and that that kind of whole cycle. And there's like an economic model they can follow.
One of the stupidest things that we grow are salmon.